Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a conditional probability. What is conditional probability? Conditional probability is a probability of occurrence of an event based on occurrence of another event. Conditional probability is represented as and it is read as probability of occurrence of event A under the event B. Formula for conditional probability is probability of A given probability of B is probability of A and B divided by probability of B. If A and B are independent event, then we know that probability of A intersection B will become probability of A into probability of B. So in case of independent event, probability of A under B will be equivalent to probability of A only. So let's solve some question. Our first question is, in a class of 100 students, 40 studies maths, 30 studies chemistry and 20 both. If student is selected at random and found that he is studying maths, what is probability that he is also studying a chemistry? Probability that student is studying a maths is 40 by 100, that is 4 by 10. Probability that student is studying chemistry is 30 by 100, that is 3 by 10. And probability that student is studying both the subject, that is maths and chemistry, is 20 by 100, that is 2 by 10. Now student is selected at random and found to be a student of mathematics. Now what is the probability he is also studying a chemistry? So we have to calculate the probability of maths, calculate the probability of chemistry under maths. So C under M is given by formula probability of maths and chemistry divided by probability of maths, that is 2 by 10 divided by 4 by 10, that is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Second question is, Ram took 2 tests. Probability of clearing both tests is 0.5 and that of second test is 0.8. What is probability of clearing first test given he has cleared the second test? Here in this question, probability of clearing both first and second test is 0.5. Probability of clearing second test is 0.8, and that asks what is the probability of clearing first test given he has cleared the second test. So we have to calculate probability of first under second, which is probability of first and second divided by probability of second, that is 0.5 by 0.8, which is 5 by 8. Let's solve next problem. Problem is probability that A will clear a PO exam is 0.7 and that of B is 0.8. Probability that both A and B will clear the exam is 0.6. Now we have to find probability of A given B, probability of B given A, probability of A complement under B. In this question, probability of A is 0.7, probability of B is 0.8, probability of A and B is 0.6. Now probability of A under B is probability of A and B divided by probability of B, that is 0.6 by 0.8, 6 by 8, that is 3 by 4. Probability of B under A is probability of A intersection B divided by probability of A, that is 0.6 by 0.7, 6 by 7. Probability of A complement is equals to 1 minus probability of A, that is 1 minus 0.7, that is 0.3. Therefore, probability of A complement under B is 1 minus probability of A under B, that is 1 minus 3 by 4. 4 minus 3 by 4, that is 1 by 4. Let's solve next question. In this question they have given probability of A is 0.7, probability of B under A is 0.4, probability of B under A complement is 0.2, and we are required to find probability of A complement, probability of B, probability of A complement under B. So probability of A complement is 1 minus probability of A, that is 1 minus 0.7, so 0.3. Probability of B is given by probability of A into probability of B under A plus probability of A complement into probability of B under A complement. So probability of A is 0.7, probability of B under A is 0.4, probability of A complement is 0.3, and probability of B under A complement is 0.2. So 0.28 plus 0.06, that is 0.34. So probability of B is, problem is finding probability of A complement given probability of B. So that is probability of A complement intersection B divided by probability of B. So first we need to find the probability of A complement and B. In a question it is given that probability of B under A's complement is 0.2. We know that the probability of B under A's complement is equals to probability of A complement and B divided by probability of A complement. Therefore 0.2 is equals to probability of A complement and B divided by 0.3. Therefore probability of A complement and B is 0.2 into 0.3, that is 0.06. Now probability of A complement under B is probability of A complement and B divided by probability of B, which is equals to 0.06 divided by 0.34, which is 6 by 34, that is 3 by 17. Let's solve next question. Question says there are three machines A, B and C which contribute 60%, 30% and 10% to the daily production of X. Each machine also produces 2%, 4% and 1% daily defective X. Find the probability of D under A. Find the probability of defect under B. Find the probability of defect. Find the probability of defect complement. Find the probability of B given defect. Find the probability of C given defect complement. Now let's first find probability of A, which is 0.6, probability of B, which is 0.3, probability of C, which is 0.1, probability of defect under A is 0.02, probability of defect under B is 0.04, probability of defect under C is 0.001. Now we are required to find probability of defect, which is probability of A into probability of defect under A plus probability of B into probability of defect under B plus probability of C into probability of defect under C. Now probability of A is 0.6, probability of defect under A is 0.02, probability of B is 0.3, probability of defect under B is 0.04, probability of C is 0.1 and the probability of defect under C is 0.01. Now this is 0.012 plus 0.012 plus 0.001, that is 0.0025. So the probability of defect is 0.025. Now probability of D complement is 1 minus probability of D, which is 1 minus 0.025, that is 0.975. We are also required to find probability of B under defect, that is probability of B and D divided by probability of D. So first we need to find out the probability. Of B and D. So for that, probability of B is 0.3 and probability of defect under B is 0.4. So probability of B and D is 4% of 0.3, that is 0.012. Therefore probability of B under defect is 0.012 divided by 0.25, that is 0.48. Now the last part is finding a probability of C under D complement. Which is given by formula probability of C and D complement divided by probability of D complement. First we need to find out the probability of C and D complement. The probability of C is 10% and the probability of non-defective items produced by C is 99%. So C and D complement is 99% of 0.1, that is 0.099. Therefore probability of C under D complement is 0.099 divided by 0.975, which is equivalent to 0.10153. Thank you.